What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just arrived to our room, so I'm gonna show you around a little bit. First walk in, we got your little bunk beds here, bathroom, little wash and dryer, little closet over there, full-size kitchen, oven, microwave, big old fridge in here. Pantry. Walk over here. The living room. Pretty good sized living room. Real good sized TV. Vizio. It's at least a 50 at least. Probably. Looks like a smart TV. And you gotta go out here to the deck. Sliding door. Then over here in the other room. You got your master bedroom. Pretty nice. Decent sized TV in here. Got a sliding door here, and a little area out there to sit as well. Walking through here. Got the bathroom. We got a little closet right here. Back in everything. And good size bathroom. Pretty good, very nice. I'm happy with it. Pretty good price, and it's pretty clean, it seems like, so. Give it a thumbs up. Last night we just hung out at the hotel, swam in the pool a little bit. Cam got ready and went out to eat. There's a place called Sharky's. It's right on the beach. It's pretty nice. Food was really good. Had me a grouper sandwich. And it was a pretty neat place. I'd never been there before. So if you're in Panama City. Then this morning, we wake up to this. Horrible weather. It's about 9 o'clock, I think. It's breaking a little bit, and it's pretty cloudy outside. Hopefully that'll move on out in a little bit. But that's gonna wrap this video up for now, guys. If you haven't already, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for the. It's gonna be a pretty good series of beach videos, so stay tuned.